So I hope that you have so far covered all other products, and now you are going to demonstrate something and talk about something which is very ancient, integral part of our culture, integral part of our sodium potassium pump or balance, very essential, that is the salt. A product which is made from salt produced in Goa, Agrache meat, Goiche. So I'm curious to know exactly what are these product, bath salt, ocean salt that you are talking, which is a absolutely innovative idea by my friend Paresh Shetgaonkar. I credit him, and even the Chief Minister of Goa has remarked about it. The Goa State Biodiversity Board is also very much interested in promotion of the local salt industry and local salt entrepreneurship, and increase existing employment and create new employment. And I believe the product that you are going to show is a sort of a indicator of what is possible with Goinche Agrache meat in the coming years, right?
Yes.
So what are these products, please?
Yeah, I'm also encouraging salt production or salt producers in Goa and also agri entrepreneurs in Goa. We have been producing salt for around 2000 years in Goa, and our salt is to be exported. In the past, Dr. Irene Furtado, late Dr. Irene Furtado, has worked on the local salt. Dr. Savita Kerkar has also worked on it, and she has also shown, Dr. Savita Kerkar, that the iodine content in local salt, that is Gaunti meat, is comparable to the fortified salt, and that is why we are using only local salt or Gaunti meat in our house. That is, for the last 27 years I've been married, and we are using only that salt in our house. My husband has also written a lot about this local salt production in Goa, and personally I've been to advocate Govind Usno Bobo's salt pan in Nirla, and I have seen how he produces salt. So let me start with this particular two products, that is the Old Goa product of local salt. In the olden days, I remember when we were very young, we used to go to the beach and we used to dip our legs and we used to play in the salty water. Now it may not be possible, and once you have this particular product in your house, you can just put this 3 to 4 tablespoons of this in water, in a tub of water, and you get the same effect which you get on the Goan beaches. Like you go to any of the beaches, Baga Beach, Kalangut Beach, and the same effect. Now what happens is that when you work the whole day, I already spoke to you about the professions like teaching profession, you have nurses, you have civil engineers, civil supervisors, chefs, housewives, especially I'm talking about housewives or household managers who work the whole day and the legs start aching. So what you have to do is just take 3 to 4 tablespoons of salt in lukewarm water and put your legs, they have to be dipped inside the water for 1 hour. Once you do that, your pain, everything goes away. But if you also have, let us say, knee pain, when you have knee pain, you have to dip your legs up to the knees in a bucket full of water. Same thing again, maybe 4 to 5 tablespoons of that particular this particular salt in lukewarm water, and you have to dip your legs. Now this was actually advised to me or told to me by a Goan doctor who is working in America. So if you are a diabetic patient, he said, if you are a diabetic patient and you have such type of aching legs, the best thing is dip your legs in salt water, which you can do at home because this particular product is already available in the market. So people may not be knowing, Goan should know about this particular product, and you will see that within 1 hour, everything, all the pain, everything just vanishes away. You will not even believe that you had pain. It goes to that extent. And not only that, you don't have to add salt the second day or the third day. 3 to 4 days, you can use the same water. You can use that particular water where you have added salt, this salt. You can use it for 3 to 4 days. And after that, if you want, you can dispose or add maybe a tablespoon of more salt, and you can continue using that water. So this is the product. It is for bath as well as when you have whole body pain, or for foot when your feet start aching.